Hello, everybody. It's your boy YammieCruza coming back at you live, boy. All right, my one true fan. He's out there somewhere. He's been begging for more content. Well, here it is. Hopefully, with a bit of luck, this will all be working. So I got my SENA 10C Pro has been replaced, and well, it was a fairly long process, and when I finally got it, I honestly couldn't be bothered to put all the stuff back in my helmet. So here we are, back on the road again with my SENA 10C Pro, and yeah, this will be interesting. Hopefully it's working. No one knows, because you can't tell when you're using it. Alright. Well, I haven't had anything to talk about on my commute in quite a while, and I don't really have much to talk about this time either. So, for those of you who have seen my previous videos, all two of you, literally nothing has changed, right? Well, the weather's gotten a little nicer, and we've changed to summertime. Still doing that little pony trick, so that means wake up an hour earlier, move your sleeping schedule to a different time, which quote-unquote gives you more light, which of course it doesn't. You're just awake at different times. But that's fine. It sucks for a little bit and then it stops sucking. Yeah. Alright. Normal amount of traffic. Nothing fancy to see today. I don't even know what's in the news. So, I don't even know what to talk about. But that's okay. It's a short drive. And we'll be there before you know it. So, SENA SENA 10C Pro. First impressions back in the day were okay. The video quality is so-so. Come on, you douchebags. The sound quality, well, you can hear it for yourselves. So, it's an okay product. It's a mediocre product, if you ask me. But it's an all-in-one, and that's how it often is, you know. Like GoPro, you get great video, but the audio is not fantastic. Of course, there's stuff you can connect to it, but yeah. The benefits of a SENA 10C Pro is that you only have to have one device on your helmet, and it snugly sits right on the side. Doesn't obstruct your view, isn't in the way of anything. So that definitely is a benefit. So yeah, unfortunately the perfect Moto recording, talking, Moto vlogging device, whatever you want to call it, has not been made yet. But if it was, it would come in the shape of a SENA 10C Pro with better technology crammed into it. Well, actually, I take that back. If there was, it would come in the shape of a little button camera with better technology inside of it. Well, we're almost here, folks. Quick little commute this time. Benefits of motorcycling. So, ta-ta, see ya. Thumbs up.